your daddy?
Wait a minute. Are you leaving right now?
Kobe.
Now. When are you coming back? Wait a minute.
Want me to call your daddy, Kobe? Wait till he put his hand down. Kobe, you a good baby? You a good baby?
So, what do you want to do?
Kobe, you a good baby? Want me to call your daddy? Want me to call your daddy? You want a bottle? You want to play with mommy?
Oh my gosh.
Want me to call Nisha? Want me to call Nisha? You sleep? You watching TV? And pay attention, he on time. Yes, you is.
Are you hungry?
You want some money?
Well, we're in luck here.
Want some money, Kobe?
Oh, tonight, the chef
You love mommy?
has, cooked up something very special for you.
You love your sisters?
Juice of one cow and,
You love your daddy?
with a fine
You love your daddy?
sauce. It is presented surrounded by a bottle and
You wanna play?
with a delicious
Or go to sleep?
nipple.
Want to go to sleep?
You want to sleep?
Oh, excellent choice.
You tired?
Here we go.
You sure? Wow. No?
Here you go. Come on.
Okay.
Please.
Come on.